السلام عليكم، معكم الآن اليوم المباراة بين الهلال والنصر. المباراة
Garcia,
يركض حمد الله، يا حمد الله،
and he's won it back for his team. And with the defender now. Oh, well intercepted. Easy for the goalkeeper there. And the team swap possession again. Passed inside. And he plays the ball back.
لاعب الفرقة صاحب الجميل،
Quality defending there. Passed well. Intercepted.
حمد الله، ناوي حمد الله المرابط،
The captain now.
وناوي مرابط الموسى، وناوي موسى الجليانو،
Nice play.
يلعب جليانو، يلا ياخذها جليانو، ياخذها جليانو.
The striker picks it up. And he's given possession. And he hits it.
جليانو ياخذها.
That's
لا
nicely
لا
played.
لا 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 لا.
And Lopez. Half time then. Let's hope for some goals.
الشوط الثاني فريق النصر من الهلال الأسود. وتمرين بدأت المباراة معانا. ويا سلام، لا ما لقيت منك يا مرابط، ياخذها موسى، الح يصح موسى، يا موسى يا موسى يا موسى، وياخذها يناول مرابط، مرابط يناول حمد الله، حمد الله يركض حمد الله، يركض حمد الله، يجيبه من بين الناس. لا فاول والله انكم غشاشين.
Scores a level, but they want to find a way through. The fans want this player to make an appeal. Let's see how this sub changes things. The keeper hits the goal kick long. That's well out by the defence, but it's gone out of play. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. Gets it to safety. Lovely passing here. Fancies his chances from here. It's well over. Let's take another look at that effort on goal. Headed on. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. Forward from the keeper. He's headed the ball forward. That's a dangerous area to lose the ball. Ball's across the line. It's out of play. Still level. Will both teams take that, or will one of them go for the win? takes the pressure off the defence. He could be punished for that mistake. Lee. Lovely finish. That's what it was. He drilled it low and hard into the bottom corner. Goalkeeper stood no
يا
chance.
للهدف.
Well, let's take another look at that.
يا حمد الله بالعارضة يا حمد الله.
And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? And we're entering stoppage time.
لاعب الهداف هدافنا.
Well taken by the goalkeeper. He chooses to throw this one out. The fourth official has indicated 6 minutes of stoppage time. And the referee calls time on this exhibition game. I wonder what the managers learned about their squads. No doubt in my mind with that decision, this player's been outstanding to deserve the game. Man of the match.
يا ابوي والله التحية لك يا ابوي. والى اللقاء تنتهي مباراتنا مع آخر مقطع ونعود لكم مرة أخرى بإذن الله.